Hi, today we're just going to do a little walk round and a little ride round the yard. This is a CB250K0 1968 Canadian import, this particular model. As you can see on the clock, 6,761. Who knows if it's genuine, but the paintwork is genuine. The chrome work looks exceedingly good on the mud guards. I think they may be re-chromed or pan. The exhaust, the silencer's a little bit iffy there. It's on an F plate, but it's in remarkably good condition, as you can see. I personally like when the lacquer starts to go on an engine. I don't want to see it's what is it, so 68, it's 55 years old. I mean, I'm older than that, and I've got wear and tear, you know, but they're a good looking bike. I love them. In a second I'm going to ride it around the yard, and you'll have a look. I think the twin leading front brake is a work of art. I love the look of those. Now let's just see if it'll start up. Got the key under here, old fashioned, lovely. Give it a little bit of choke. Oh no, Davey's going to have to get his foot out. Oh, I don't do this very often.